Anna is making $16,000 per month using affiliate marketing. Tread is generating $200,000 annually. Watch this video till end to earn money like this. Are you looking for the easiest way to make money using affiliate marketing from scratch, leveraging the power of AI? In this video, we'll break down the detailed steps and introduce you to the best software and apps to kickstart your journey. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral link. AI tools can significantly enhance your efforts by automating tasks, optimizing content, and providing data-driven insights. The first step in starting your affiliate marketing journey is selecting a niche. Use AI tools like Google Trends and SEMrush to identify trending topics and niches with high demand but relatively low competition. These tools analyze search volumes and trends, helping you make informed decisions. It's time to join affiliate programs. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services that you can promote. Sign up for these programs and get your unique affiliate links. Next, you'll need to create a platform to promote your affiliate products. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Let's focus on creating a blog, as it offers long-term benefits through search engine optimization (SEO). Use AI-powered website builders like Wix.ADI or Bookmark, which can create professional-looking websites quickly. These tools use AI to understand your preferences and automatically generate a website tailored to your needs. It's time to generate content that promotes your affiliate products. AI writing assistants like Jasper, formerly Jarvis, and CopyAI can help you create high-quality, SEO-friendly content. These tools can generate blog posts, product reviews, and promotional content based on your input. By leveraging AI, you can produce content faster and ensure it's optimized for search engines, driving more organic traffic to your site. To further enhance your content, use AI tools like Grammarly for proofreading and Surfer SEO for optimizing your articles. Grammarly checks for grammar, punctuation, and style errors, ensuring your content is polished and professional. Surfer SEO analyzes top-ranking pages for your target keywords and provides guidelines on how to optimize your content to rank higher on search engine results pages. Another essential aspect of affiliate marketing is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote your affiliate products directly to their inbox. Use AI-powered email marketing platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact to automate your email campaigns. These tools can segment your audience, personalize email content, and send automated follow-ups, increasing your chances of conversions.
To drive traffic to your website, utilize AI-driven advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. These platforms use AI to optimize your ad campaigns, targeting the right audience and maximizing your return on investment ROI. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives, and let the AI algorithms learn and optimize your campaigns over time. Social media is another powerful channel for promoting affiliate products. Use AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer to schedule and manage your social media posts. These platforms can analyze your audience's engagement patterns and suggest the best times to post, ensuring your content reaches the maximum number of people. Additionally, tools like Lately use AI to repurpose your blog content into social media posts, saving you time and effort. For video content, consider using AI video creation tools like Lumen 5 and InVideo. These tools can transform your blog posts into engaging videos, perfect for sharing on YouTube and social media. They use AI to select relevant images, video clips, and music, and automatically generate a professional-looking video. This not only diversifies your content, but also helps you reach a broader audience. Analyzing your performance is crucial for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Use AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics and Crazy Egg to track your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. These tools provide valuable insights into what's working and what needs improvement. By regularly reviewing your analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your strategy. Another advanced AI tool you can leverage is Hotjar, which provides heat maps and session recordings. These features allow you to see how visitors interact with your website, helping you identify areas that need optimization. By understanding user behavior, you can improve your site's user experience, leading to higher conversion rates. To manage your affiliate links effectively, use AI-based link management tools like Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links. These tools help you cloak, shorten, and track your affiliate links, making them more user-friendly and easier to manage. They also provide insights into which links are performing well, allowing you to optimize your promotions. Finally, consider using chatbots to enhance user engagement on your website. AI-powered chatbots like Tidio and Drift can assist visitors, answer their questions, and recommend products. By providing instant support, chatbots can improve user experience and increase your chances of making sales. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online and leveraging AI for business success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from these insights.